In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a customer in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a customer profile so your invoices, payments, and reports stay accurate and consistent. Start by using the search bar at the top of QuickBooks Online. Type customer to quickly surface the customer tools, then choose the option to add a new customer. This opens the customer details panel where you'll enter all the essential information. Begin with the person's first name. If you have it, you can include a middle name, though that's completely optional. Add the last name to round out the contact's full name. QuickBooks uses these fields to help identify and find the customer later, so accurate spelling helps prevent duplicates. If the customer is tied to a business, add the company name as well. Use the registered business name when possible, especially if your invoices will be addressed to the company rather than an individual. If you're working with a consumer, you can leave the company field blank. Next, enter the customer's email address. This is what QuickBooks uses for sending invoices and statements, so double check it before moving on. Add a phone number for quick follow-ups, or if you prefer to confirm details by call or text. Keep the formatting simple and consistent to make searching and dialing easier. Add the billing address. This appears on invoices and can influence tax calculations, so enter the full, correct address, including any suite or unit numbers. Taking a moment here can save you time and corrections later. Set the primary payment method to match how this customer usually pays you, whether that's card, bank transfer, or another option available in your setup. This simply sets a default. You can always change the method on individual transactions. Choose the standard payment terms you use with this customer. Due on receipt means payment is expected immediately. Net 15 gives them 15 days from the invoice date, and Net 30 gives them 30 days. Pick the one that reflects your agreement and supports your cash flow. Add tax details as appropriate. If the customer is taxable, select the correct tax settings or rate for their location. If they're exempt, indicate that here according to your documentation. When in doubt, check your accounting or tax guidance to ensure compliance. When everything looks right, click Save. You'll see the new customer added to your list, ready to use on invoices, estimates, or sales receipts. That's it. Search for customer, add the profile, enter contact and billing details, choose a payment method and terms, set taxes, and save. You're all set to bill accurately and get paid faster.